Unlock the full potential of your Sony A1 and achieve breathtaking dynamic range by mastering log shooting. Shooting in log format, specifically Slog 3 on your Sony A1, gives you the maximum latitude for color grading and ensures you capture every detail in both the highlights and shadows. First, let's dive into the essential camera settings. Navigate to your menu system, select Picture Profile, and choose PP10 for Slog 3. Within Picture Profile 10, ensure your gamma is set to Slog 3 and your color mode is set to Cinetone or a compatible wide gamut color space like Gamut 3 Cine. These combinations work best for log footage and post-production flexibility. Exposure is crucial when shooting log. The goal is to expose as brightly as possible without clipping your highlights, as log compresses dynamic range, making your image appear flat and desaturated straight out of camera. A common mistake is to expose for what you see on the LCD instead. Use your camera's zebras or histogram to guide your exposure and to have your brightest areas fall just before the clipping point. Conversely, don't underexpose excessively, as this can lead to elevated noise in the shadows once you stretch the footage in post. In post-production, the magic happens. Import your Slog 3 footage into your editing software, such as DaVinci Resolve, Adobe Premiere Pro, or Final Cut Pro. To begin, apply a Technical LUT design for Slog 3 to sRGB or Rec 709 to get a more balanced starting point. From there, you can adjust the white balance, exposure, and begin your creative color grading. Remember, Slog 3 is a datoric format, so don't be afraid to push the sliders. You'll be amazed at the recovery you can achieve in both the highlights and shadows. By applying these simple settings and techniques, you'll elevate your video production with the Sony A1, giving you unparalleled creative control and stunning visual results.